Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have been sent this new MUCAR 892BT diagnostic tool. Now we are going to get this out of the box, have a look at it, and we're going to plug it into one of our vehicles and see exactly what it can do and whether it's worth the money. So let's have a look. So it comes in this nice hard case. Ooh. Very nice, like a little Android tablet. And inside the box here, we get all of the usual stuff. We've got Ethernet cable, we've got a OBD extender with Ethernet, and we have a USB-C cable for charging and a power brick and a user manual. So standard stuff, but nice that it comes in a hard case so we can carry it around. As for the actual unit itself, on the back we have the OBD2 connector, and actually build quality feels really good, and it's got a magnet so it clips onto the back just like that, so you can't lose it. Also has a kickstand, so when we want to stand it up, no problem. So let's switch it on and see what we have to do. So the display on this is actually quite nice. MUCAR is part of ThinkCar, which already quite a good brand. So the software and the usability of this should be quite familiar to a lot of people that have used diagnostic tools in the past. So we have our setup screen. So with a lot of these diagnostic tools that I've looked at or reviewed in the past, there is a lot of hoops to jump through before you can actually use the product. So you have subscription service, you have to put a code in your email, all of that stuff. So let's see how complicated or not complicated this one is. So English, start. And then we're going to have a couple of pop-ups there. So that was just saying, you know, about the product. But first thoughts are there's no hoops to jump through, and we can actually just click on the functions, which is pretty cool. The screen feels responsive, looks good. So we've got auto search. Let's just click auto search. So actually you don't need to sign up to anything to actually be able to use it straight out of the box, which is fantastic. Absolutely plus from me. So now let's take this over to a vehicle and plug it in and see how good it is, see what functions it has. So we've just come over to this VW Crafter. This is a 2022. And if we take our dongle off the back of the unit and we're going to plug it in to the OBD port, which is under there, you hear a little beep to tell you that it's connected. So you're going to pop the ignition on. And now we've got our dongle plugged in, and we've got this in a place where you can actually see the screen. So this unit has Wi-Fi capabilities, so you can hook it up to your Wi-Fi to get your free updates. Good thing about this unit is it has free lifetime updates. So every time there's a new update, bang, you've got it and it's free. So if we go on auto search and just click enter, so it's going to connect to the Bluetooth dongle, which it has done pretty quickly. And now it's going to do a VIN scan on the vehicle, which is all common stuff with the OBD tools that we have. So there we go. It's going to recognize the vehicle and the model. And we're going to do all this in real time so you can actually see how quick it is. So this is a list of everything. You've got full system, special functions, guided functions, online functions, which is common to people that use these, and then it gives you all of the components in this vehicle. So there's quite a few in this one, and you've got high-speed scan, smart scan, gateway scan, system scan, and you can choose which one you want, but we're going to go for a high-speed scan. And we're going to see what faults it comes back with. So there we go. Oh, that's pretty quick. We're already at 50%, sorry, we're done 100%. So the high speed scan is actually a lot faster than the Topdon Phoenix Pro that I normally use. Takes a little while, but this one seemed to do that very, very quickly. So I've just clicked into engine. So here we have definition: cylinder 1 glow plug circuit, active status cylinder 2 glow plug circuit, instrument cluster no basic setting. Quite a few codes on here. We do have an engine management light on, so that's good. That's good that it's gone through, and it's quick as well. This unit does have AI function, so let's just go into engine electronics. And here we can see, we can look at the module information, we can read the DTCs, clear the fault codes, data stream. It's quite sensitive, this screen, which is good. For VWs and stuff, you've got adaptations, basic settings, parameters. But from what I can see, this is quite a sensitive screen. What's this little blue thingy up here? So this is an online service. Welcome to MUCAR. So I haven't actually looked at this machine yet. This is the first time I'm using it as well with you guys. So let's just have a look here. So we got our 2 fault codes in the engine electronics. This is MUAI. So let's click on this button here and see what it does. I'm interested to see what AI functions this could possibly have. So it tells us here the code, the the failure level, which is a medium on this, gives you the definition, the symptoms. So fault impact, a glow plug fault will cause the preheating system to fail, which may lead to difficult or impossible engine starting. Okay, so that's nice that there's a little symptom there. So guidance: circuit system inspection, circuit system test, component test, maintenance guide. So let's click on circuit system. Okay. So here, it actually gives you a detailed overview of what it could be. And then the circuit system test tells you how to test it. Component test, if you've got it out, gives you the resistance levels or what they should be. So that's quite a useful, handy function, especially for a DIYer. If you don't have, or you have limited knowledge on this stuff, this is very good to help you diagnose the problem properly. Let's have a look at maintenance guide. So short circuits in the wiring, blah blah blah. So yeah, that is actually really good. I like that function. So that's going to help a lot of DIY people. And at the price point of this unit, I think it's under £400 at the moment, and obviously you'll get a discount code in the description here so you can get extra money off. So for the price point already, this is looking pretty promising. So let's just come back out of here and let's see what else we can do. So special functions, so we can reset the service light. We have done a service on this vehicle, so let's just go ahead and see how good it is at resetting service lights. So we've just done a major maintenance service and we want it for 15,000 kilometers or 365 days. Oil reset is done. And if it doesn't show up, you otherwise carry it out in the ESI reset. So if we come back out of all of this, we could go into special functions and just look at the list of stuff that you can do with this machine. Actually has quite a few functions on here that's not on my very expensive tool that I use and I have to pay subscription for every year to update it. So it looks like this one might be staying out of the box. So let's just close down and come out of here. So when you come out of it, it says do not forget to remove the VCI from the vehicle. So obviously you need the dongle that's plugged in down there to put back on, so you've got it for the next one. But just going through the functions here. So if we're looking at these functions, we've got scan, diagnose, OBD, and it gives you a clear indication of what each one does. You've got history, so the vehicle we've just scanned will be in the history. So that's good. And with this product, you can actually do detailed reports. You can email the report to the customer to explain to them exactly what is going on and what the fix could be, which is all here. Then feedback, you can encounter any problems. Oh, so if you get a problem with this that you can't diagnose yourself, you can let them know and hopefully they sort it out. And this is also linked up to a $Fix community, so a social media platform suitable for every car enthusiast. So if you do have any issues or you want to speak to other people like-minded, you can do that through here. And then you've got MUAI, Intelligent Assistant. So this here is capable of answering various questions. So basically what you're doing online, rather than coming out of the product and going on to ChatGPT or Claude or anything like that, you can just have a quick scan through here and it will give you some very valuable information. So on here, if we click on the maintenance tab at the top, there is a whole list of stuff that you can do, which is actually brilliant. So you can do ABS bleeding, you can go into DPF regeneration, you can do an ECU reset, EGR adaptations. So a lot of these are relevant for different models and makes of vehicle, which this covers lots, absolute tons. On the back of the box, I think it even states, yeah, so capable with 100 plus car brands and covers over 100,000 vehicles. So definitely worth looking into this. So far, I'm quite impressed. The user interface is brilliant. It's very responsive, and you can, well, look, you can even change it so you've got a different display, so you can actually scroll through gearbox learning, gateway modules, key programming. You can actually add extras onto this tablet, which will allow you to do extra things like key programming, TPMS pressure sensors and whatnot. There's me just pressing all the buttons. So yeah, I think this looks good. So let's check the upgrade tab. So vehicle diagnostic software, maintenance software, application software. So you can actually upgrade. Let's have a look in here. So when your upgrades are available, they will show up in here. At the moment, there's 91 there and 13 for the maintenance, which we can upgrade all of those. So there's probably already upgrades happened before I got this unit. So now I can upgrade to the latest software and have the latest information available to diagnose and fix pretty much any vehicle. The actual build quality of this thing feels good. It's about as heavy as an iPad. It's got robust rubbers on the side for when we're obviously in the workshop throwing it around. But overall, I quite like this little unit. Obviously, I'm going to do a lot more testing, but this is just your very basic first thoughts, first review of this unit. And because I'm quite familiar with the actual setup on this unit, I know it's already going to be a fantastic unit. So if you need a AI assisted car diagnostics, I'm going to say this one is pretty good. So guys, that's my first thoughts and first look at MUCAR's 892BT. And to be honest, from what I've used previously to using this now, this feels good. It's really good bit of kit. And for the price point that it's at, actually, I think it's going to be really, really good value. With the extras you can add on and the bundles you can buy, this little unit is going to stay out of the box and be used every single day in my workshop. So Thank you, MUCAR, for sending it over to me. This is an honest review. I haven't found anything wrong with it yet. As soon as I do, you guys will be the first to know. And just before I end, if you want to head over to my new website, which is mrautofixer.co.uk, we've got a whole load of guides on there, how to do repairs. It's got pictures, PDFs, there's a shop on there where you can buy certain things which will be great for gifts and stuff like that. So please go over there, drop your comments down below, tell me what you think, tell me if you think it needs updating, because it is all brand new and I'm trying to make it a free resource for everyone to use and gain knowledge from. So please give me some feedback, let me know how I can update it, and thanks for watching. If you hit the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.